Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades, and let's get right into it. And right now, as you guys can probably tell, Bitcoin at the moment has had a little bit of a good day today, to be honest, because we did see some early selling in the S&P 500. We did get a wick past the 200-day moving average, but overall it closed green. It was actually green on a pretty significant amount, almost an entire percentage point, and the DXY had a bit of a down day. That's probably why the market had an update today. Now the DXY is once again starting to come back in slightly, so we'll have to see if there is going to be more selling in the DXY, and if we break this big trend line. If that does happen, then that should be a significant potential top for the DXY, and that should be bullish for Bitcoin and the markets overall. And right now, Bitcoin is firming up, and it is possibly going to get into this wave 5. We will have to see where this tops out, but we definitely do need to take out this pivot right here at 28,500. And if it does firm up, then you could potentially go up a little bit more. We'll have to see if we find resistance at 29,000 or 30,000. But overall, this will extend the B wave just a little bit higher eventually before you start to roll over down to 20,000. I know it seems very unlikely right now, but we'll give it some time and we'll see how the chart plays out. Okay, let's move on here. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on Market Cypher. So Market Cypher actually printed a red dot yesterday, and you are actually crossing into green money flow right now. So Bitcoin is getting bullish on the daily time frame. You have a -3 and a 12 on the dual band strength index. Taking a look at the 4-hour time frame, you have increasing green money flow. So catching this dip right here would have been a nice opportunity to potentially do a short-term long for Bitcoin, trying to catch this 5th wave extension. And again, you guys can do whatever you want with your money, and at the moment that looks like if you guys are long, it is definitely starting to play out in your favor. Okay, getting on the smaller time frames like the 1-hour time frame, you do have some red money flow. We'll have to see if this red dot plays out and we start to come back down in a little bit of a smaller wave 4, and then we'll see if we can take out this pivot. But overall, Bitcoin is looking bullish at the moment. Taking a look at the larger time frames, Bitcoin is definitely firming up. It's actually at a 3 and a 6 now. It was very bearish at the beginning of the month, with this previous month with a 14 and a -3. The weekly candle is definitely looking a lot better with a -5 and a 16. So things are definitely firming up for Bitcoin. And if you take a look at some other time frames here, like the 2-day and the 1-day, I still think that we may put in a B wave top here sooner or later, but then you might start to come down in a pretty dramatic fashion. Let's take a look at Wave Edge, see what Wave Edge is printing. So Wave Edge, I don't see anything new on the daily time frame, no signals just yet. On the 4-hour time frame, you did get a green cross right at the lows. Once again, Wave Edge being an amazing indicator, and if you guys long this, you would have been up by a tremendous amount. And if you guys want to get access to the trades inside the Discord, Hayden is killing it right now with the crypto trades. Margin trades are on excuse me, a little bit of verb there, are on fire. Matic is up 121%. He did short Bitcoin today with a nice little bit of an 80% profit as well. And ADA was up 97%. So he is just killing it right now. And I'm also taking these trades as well, up over 126% on ADA. So if you guys want to get access to these trades, the link is in the description. All right, let's move on and let's take a look at the DXY. So right now the DXY has come down just a little bit now from its overbought condition right around 107.3. It topped out there, and it is starting to sell off back down to 106.5. And right now you can tell that there's still increasing green money flow. I know how hard it is to admit it, but yeah, the DXY is extremely strong right now. Almost on every single time frame it is looking bullish, especially the weekly time frame. It is still looking like we have more upside to go, and the monthly time frame is probably the most bullish one out of all of them. It is looking extremely good for the dollar. And again, the markets took it on the chin today, with the yields starting to pull back in. I have this rocket ship here because the yields were moving, but right now the yields are pulled back a little bit. If they pull back more, that'll be more of a catalyst for markets to go higher. But again, right now the 2-year yield comes in even more, then you should see the bond market, like the TLT, start to recover, and then you'll see that the equities will get a nice little bounce as well. Okay. All right, so that's about it for now. I don't really have more of an update for you guys. If you guys enjoyed these videos, feel free to leave a like in the description, and a comment in the description, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one tomorrow. Love you all. Peace.